How to get sale on Autopilot as a new store owner when you have a minimal budget as a startup.
I'd like to share a little bit about design first, because that's where, FoxEcom is best known for, and that's what we can best help you. So first, in terms of page design, if you want to get sales on Autopilot, you need to make sure that your website is ready for sales. So you need to make sure that your website is mobile optimized, because we should remember that most of the shopping traffic is from mobile nowadays. The second thing is that when you build out your website, when you design your page, the most important element is first page is the homepage, where your shoppers, where your customers, where your visitors land on. So make sure that your homepage actually deliver values, deliver impacts. So what do I mean by value and impacts? Value and impacts mean that when they land on the website, they know what you are selling. Why is it different? Why they should buy it? So they should know, they should have the best visual, the best photos of your product on the homepage. They should be able to read or to skim over, okay, why this is so special. If you are selling cake, why is your cake better than everyone else? Is it organic? Is it low sugar? So anything that makes it stand out and different, you need to deliver it immediately. And the second thing, the homepage needs to deliver impact. So when we mention impact it's the influence that the product can create, can insert into one's life. And in this case, it's other people's life. You should demonstrate as much as possible any kinds of user-generated content, reviews, testimonials, expertise, sharings, or opinions about your product. If you don't have any of that yet, try to put your product on human display or in practical use case scenarios as much as possible. For example, in the case that you are selling cake, make sure that you are placing the cake in an environment that is warm and inviting, that is friendly. If you're selling for family, then make sure that it's placed and photographed in a family setting, in a warm and cozy setting, in places that people can actually imagine and think of themselves using the product. And they don't have to take so much time to think about, okay, what's so different? What is it? When would I use it? What should I use it for? They don't have to, make all of the excuse and logical reason behind the purchase for you. You would do that job for them. So the third thing that I want to mention is make sure that your page is designed in the most persuasive way possible. So in UX design, there's a model that we'd like to follow, which is the AIDA model, AIDA. And I think maybe some of you or maybe all of you have heard of it. AIDA model, AIDA. So basically it's 4 layer like this: attention, interest, desire, and action. So when you design a page, make sure that your contents from top to bottom can answer and is qualified for all those 4 stages. It catches the attention, incites the interest of the customers, it incites the desire to have it, and finally, it's your call to action. Either you want them to check out more photos, more information about the product, or you want them to subscribe to the newsletter, or you want them to buy immediately.